Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. Today we have on offer this 1973 Mgb Roadster. It's a chrome bumpered car. It's finished in its original color scheme for this year of bronze yellow, black interior, black top, fog lamps, 4-speed, alloy wheels. It's got these really attractive, crisp VTO alloys. They look like reproduction mini lights, so really nice nice appearing set of wheels, period looking, on a fantastically restored car. We purchased this car back east. The previous owner just spent an absolute fortune on the car, completely rebuilding everything he could think of. Show quality paint, all rebuilt mechanicals, wheels, tires, interior. So you're looking at a really lovely restored Mgb here. I just took it for a drive. You can see me preceding this walk around video, and runs and drives great, no issues. You know, just a very nice, tight, fast, smooth, fun, crisp driving Mgb, since everything's been attended to underneath here. So so yeah, really great quality paint work. Oh, left a bit of tape on here from our camera. Great glossy, high quality body and paint. Really great panel fit. You can see the doors there. They're really nice gapping. There's not even a chip on the edge of the door. This paint's so fresh and crisp, but very nice paint. Color sanded, buffed, polished, really good quality. Excellent chrome work. I think the bumpers are original. They're very good. They're not perfect like the rest of the car, but they are very nice. He thought they were nice enough to put back on. But you know, you can do a small upgrade there and buy some new bumpers. But you know, as I come down this side of the car, you can see how crisp all the door moldings and the side moldings are. Just excellent restoration on this really lovely, cosmetically shiny car. New wheels and tires, full set there. That looks really lovely. Let's take a look in the trunk here. There are some leftover spares here to the restoration, but as you can see, they painted all inside the trunk here. Looks like there's jack, tools, there's a tonneau cover, spare tire. Oh, if I can get the cover off. Yeah, it looks like a fifth spare tire. There's a few little restoration bits left over, but you can see the back of the trunk lid here. Really lovely, perfect trunk lid. Really nice rubber, CAD plated stuff. New lights, lenses. So really attractive car. Let's look at the interior here. So in the interior, we have a brand new interior panel kit. We've got a very nice dash. I think it's got, yeah, it does have a dash cap on, but the rest of the dash is perfect. MOTOLITA wood alloy wheel, very nice. Carpets you can see here, all brand new OEM seat covers. New cloth vinyl soft top, which is excellent. That fits the car nicely. So this has all been restored. This is a completely restored interior with new panel kits, seats, carpets, wood wheel, dash cap, soft top, door rubber, scraper rubber here along the door. New windshield, new lower rubber. That's in great condition. Super car. Just super cosmetics on this car, really lovely. So let me take you around. I'll show you the engine compartment. You'll be equally impressed there with the engine compartment. So here's the engine bay on our bronze yellow Mgb. You can see everything was completely removed and stripped and cleaned. You know, it's almost bordering on a show quality engine compartment, but excellent glossy paint, all new lines. Looks like the engine's rebuilt to me. It's got a downdraft Weber carb with a header, which is a really great performance upgrade. Solid aluminum ribbed valve cover. New oil cooler and lines here. Just really crisp and clean, lovely engine compartment. All new brakes, all new brake lines. You can see everything from here just matches beautifully, perfectly. So a really good high quality engine compartment, new under padding kit. Let me start this engine up for you. It starts and runs great. Great sound. Oh, there we go. This tack just jumped to life. But yeah, great oil pressure. I've just taken this car for a drive and it's hot idle 50 pounds. So very, very good little car here. So yeah, super healthy engine, booming exhaust note, really tight, crisp gearbox. Drives wonderfully well. Newer exhaust all the way through. Let me shut this hood. Yeah, the hood's supported by this, just this single telescoping shock absorber there. It doesn't quite fit right here. There we go. It's a really nice car. If you're looking for a turnkey MGB where thousands have been spent on it, both mechanically and cosmetically, this is a good one. I think the only thing you can improve on this car is maybe a new set of bumpers. The bumpers are real nice and they're the originals, but everything else is so new and crisp that a bumper set would be welcome. But yeah, there you have it. Very, very attractive car here, sitting on these expensive alloy wheels. 1973 Mgb Roadster, finished in the original factory color for the year of bronze yellow, black interior, black cloth soft top, tonneau cover in black crushed grain vinyl, 4-speed alloy wheels, spot lamps, and it's for sale right now on our website, www.kurttannermotorcars.com.